Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this mfc140u.dll was not found. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to install Visual C++ file. For this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down. Here you can see Visual Studio file. You have to download this x86 and x64. You have to install both the files x86 and x64. So click on it and then run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well and then run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install and let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed. Once installed, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Now the next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and once this is complete, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Visual C++ file. Now for this you can type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, go to uninstall a program. Now over here find Microsoft Visual C++ file. So here you can see these are Microsoft Visual C++ file. You can uninstall this, make a right click, you can uninstall each one and then you can go to Microsoft website. The first link, the link is provided in the video description. So you can go to this link and then you can install the Visual C++ file once again, all the 2005 to 2015, and then install this x86 and x64 once again, both the files, and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the application which is giving you the error message. So whichever application is giving you the error message, you can uninstall and reinstall that application and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.